Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to another fresh video. Good morning, it's 11 a.m. in the morning. So the thing is that I just updated my phone. I have the OnePlus 9R and I updated my phone, and you all might be aware of the problem that of the green lines and the pink lines. So the thing is that I got some like one pink line on the screen itself, which is like very disturbing because I take good care of my phone. I don't even drop it nor splash in waters, and like still things like this very bad from OnePlus. So I'll be going to the OnePlus service center now. That's in Panjim. I contacted the Margaon service center, but they say it's closed. So I'll be going to Panjim now. I also do have some government office work also in there itself. So we are going to Panjim now. I'll just pick up my friend and we'll meet you back. Yeah, so we reached the store. We'll just go inside and check what the technician has to say about it. Since we are talking in a native language, that's Konkani, I'll just give you all a brief over of what he said. So he said that the problem of this lines is quite normal, and like a lot of people are facing it with especially the 8 series and the 9 series. Although he said that there are no problems in the 10 and 11, but the thing is very simple. There's some online procedure itself that we have to do, which I'll put towards the end of the video. Please don't skip any parts of the video through which you will miss some important information. Also, he said that it will take about 7 to 8 days, and the delivery guy, the OnePlus guy, will come at home to pick it up. He will send it to some place, and he'll get it repaired. So also he was said that they will replace it, but there's no guarantee that it won't happen in the future. So like if you update it again, or maybe even if you don't update it, it can go faulty. There's no guarantee of that. Yeah, so the rest of the details I'll give you all outside. However, there's one condition that your phone should not be cracked, and there's one more that's saying that your phone should not be exposed to water previously. So how they'll come to know is I'll just show you all over here itself. Yeah, so I'll put a photo here to which you can come to know if water has seeped into your phone. So as you can see here, the color of my indicator is white, but whereas in your case, or if water has seeped into your phone, the color will be white, will be either blue or pink. Yeah, so the update is that we went to the showroom, and we went to the service center, and they have informed us that there's some procedure which we can do through our app itself. Yeah, so there is some procedure that we can do through our app itself, and it's quite simple. So the thing is that OnePlus arranges the technicians to come to our place. They are not technicians as such, but they come to our place. They'll take your phone, they'll send it back to Bangalore. Now for us and Goa, they'll send it to Bangalore. It will take around 8 working days. That's what they said. The thing is they don't have the parts here, the display here, to replace the display. So they'll be sending it to Bangalore, and then they'll be sending it back. And the thing is, there are three conditions. One is your screen should not be cracked. The second thing is that there should not be any dents on your phone. And the third is that your phone should not show any signs of water seeping into it. So how would you know this is near your SIM ejector, this only tray. Uh, there is some paper which changes the color, so I'll just put a snapshot of that also. So mine is like pure white itself, so I don't have any problems. So make sure that you take a detailed video before sending your phone, and you have to take a video of you have to take the backup of your phone and store it, and you have to reset it and send it when the delivery guy comes to your doorstep.
I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure.
Yeah, so we have done the registration for that the pickup, and I guess he'll be coming tomorrow. So I'll just take the backup and reset the phone and keep it ready. So that was it for the video, guys. If you all found this video helpful, please do like and share it with a friend who owns a OnePlus. Till then, see you all in the next video. Stay subscribed. Bye.